Hello vlog. Ooh, good lighting, good lighting. We were cut off, but we're gonna go to Cinemark right now to watch The Lost City with Sandra Bullock. We got seats in the middle. I always need to get the best seats. And we're gonna go pick up Sabrina. And then we're gonna go. Has anyone watched Bridgerton yet? I'm almost done. But anyways. Okay, you're gonna have to.
It's not my kind of show.
Okay. We'll tell you how the movie goes. I'm excited because it's Sandra Bullock. Sandra Bullock movies never disappoint. And there's Channing Tatum. There's Brad Pitt.
Hold up. I cannot see.
It is very bright.
Oh, lighting's so good.
We're gonna get popcorn and nachos. And yeah, we'll give you a review. And then now I'll insert Ira's clip of us coming to the car.
I was singing, guys.
Yeah.
My singing career is gonna
Ira
start.
gave her a life update. And I'm sure everybody wants to hear it. So.
Duh, my fans are way mean. Hi vlog, Ira Cam. We're going into movies. I'm walking backwards. Look at Liz's outfit.
We're gonna go watch The Lost City.
This is my outfit. Yeah. We're gonna trip. Hold on. I haven't seen you in a long time. Life update. Everything's falling apart. Just checking. Which I think I'm really good at vlogging.
That's our front door neighbor.
That's your. I don't know if you're gonna include it in your video, but their room always smells like weed. We're gonna get popcorn and nachos because I only came for the food. Look at this! Hold on, let's take a picture.
I know, it's great lighting.
Let's take a picture. Okay, wait, hold on. My hair is blowing the other way.
Oh my god, Ira, you're such high maintenance.
You with your pictures?
Oh my god, Ira, let's go!
She's yelling at me.
I'm the mean one, right?
Please, you're gonna include this in your vlog and you're like proof of why Ira plays the victim all the time.
Sometimes.
Lowe's and CVS are cutting hours, so me and Liz are gonna be broke. But we're still material girl.
Cause we
are living in a material world. I am a material girl. We're crazy.
You're right.
We'll vlog again when Sabrina's here.
Yeah, I'm
Bye
excited.
vlog.
Yes. Well, we will keep you updated. We'll meet you at the movie theater.
Adios vlog. Bye bye.
We've got the
Look good from afar. She felt the need to keep it a secret.
I'll take a bow.
I already did mine. I did mine.
Okay, come on. One more. I got you.
Better. Hey guys! So it's actually the next day and I feel like I never film the next day because we don't really do anything interesting. But we're going to the gym and 9 a.m. workout. We've been really consistent, so I'm proud of us. Okay, well, update. Gym is closed.
I can work out.
Doesn't open until 10.
She should not.
Have not worked the Sunday shift.
Because she works at the gym.
As we were about to go in, one of the guys was like, "It don't open for another hour." So I was like, "Okay." So I was like, "Let's go to the library because I need to get some books." Doesn't open till 12. So we are here in the breezeway, waiting for the gym to open. How's your guys' day? Ours is going great.
More.
I'm almost done with Bridgerton. I'm on the last episode. I've been watching. You want to talk about shows you've been watching? I've been watching The Morning Show. I didn't know season 2 came out. I'm watching The Gilded Age on HBO. And I'm sort of watching Good Girls, the new season. Ira, what about you?
I just finished Good Girls in 2 days. I finished Good Girls. We didn't start it. I started it, I think, on a Monday. Finished it on Tuesday. I have been watching Criminal Minds again because I have nothing else to watch. I made my boyfriend start watching Euphoria. Also finished that for the 3rd time. And I actually haven't had time to watch any shows that's new because I have so many shit to do. Oh, censor things to do.
Yeah, a lot of people ask me if I watch anime. I'm like,
Oh my
no.
gosh, Attack on Titan. Really great. I watched that. And then I watched Demon Slayer, but that's already done. And the new episodes are not gonna come out until like 4 years from now. As we anime
4
watcher
years?
knows. Dude, it takes them a long time to animate it. Because it's like real, like now they do it like HD whenever there's like a fight. It's really cool.
Never watched it.
To those people who think anime used to be weird and now are like catch your gone to anime,
Horse.
fake.
Like sometimes it just feels so weird to me that this is like going on the internet. Like anyone in the world can watch this and they're gonna be like, these girls are really weird. I made an Instagram page for films. I think it's films.eohw. I uploaded yesterday.
Yeah, because she posts so much on her
Yeah, like this is such a
story.
waste. I want someone to see it.
This
Go
is
follow.
my matching gym wear. You know? But we can't use it for another 45 minutes.
You're right.
They probably do. Like some of these people probably do think we're weird.
Yeah. I'm
Well,
like, there's views, but I'm like, who's viewing them? I don't know.
one of your video has like 700.
Yeah, which is like an HPT tour.
Yeah.
I'm actually, fun fact, dorming in UVA next semester, so
She can give
It's
you a
gonna be
tour.
um,
UVA is not that bad if you know how to
the
decorate.
ghetto.
It's in the ghetto.
Don't worry, I tried getting IVA again, not working. Look at my film page.
I'll show you guys.
It's films.eohw. That one I will link on YouTube. I don't know. I don't want to really link personal one, but dot.
I got it.
Oh, you found it?
Yeah.
Isn't it pretty? I'm just gonna do what we like.
Ah, look at my nachos. It was so good. Dude, I saw this photo and I'm like, that's very Liz.
I'm living in my Mamma Mia world.
When Liz gets married, I'm supposed to do the
You know, okay, all of you guys, Mamma Mia. It's not that dance move. I wanted to live out my what is it, Mamma Mia fantasies and do Super Trooper.
But
All
she
of
wants
you-
me to do
all
it.
of you Mamma Mia fans know that
But
is
she
a
wants
very
me to do it.
iconic dance, and my wedding theme is going to be Mamma Mia, and I'm gonna make Ira do it with Juani and Mia. They do not know of it yet, but they will do it.
Super Trooper.
It's not that dance. Ira doesn't know it.
I know the song.
If my YouTube career is still going on till then, 10 more years.
I'll take over.
10 more years. Excuse me. 10 more years.
You need
Or never.
Super Trooper.
It's not that dance.
What is that then? Whenever you're.
Oh, you're right. That is part of it.
Uh huh.
Trooper,
See, she
let's
doesn't
go
know. She
on
doesn't know
a
this
high.
dance.
That's all you know, though.
This vlog's gonna be like 30 minutes.
But you know, I was thinking in like my videos, I feel like I don't talk a lot, and so like the people do not know anything about me. So I was like, talking is good. At least
this
for a
is
little bit of
Korean.
it.
Fun fact.
It's actually funny because a lot of people don't think I'm Korean, especially with my mask on. And so when I was working at DSW, there would be like this couple that always came in and always returning stuff. I think they had like a side hustle, but anyways. And they'd always talk.
DSW, she did not care for those people's side hustle.
And they would always return stuff, and then but they were not very good at English, but I just didn't say that I was Korean, so I was like talking in English, and I was like, I thought it was so funny. And some lady was at CVS thought I was Chinese, and I was like, no, Korean.
I thought you were Japanese.
It's cool.
I'm
It's cool.
Asian.
Ira's Filipino. We're almost 20.
I could be Latino because a lot of people speak to me in Spanish, and I'm like, I can understand what you're saying. I just don't know what to say back.
And we go to FAU. We are sophomores technically.
Depressingly, she's graduating though soon.
Next year. I'm going back home for 2 weeks in the summer.
I'm going to Germany
And
sometime in the summer.
you should vlog and I'll insert it.
Okay.
That'd be
Oh
fun.
my gosh, I'll be like, hi vlog.
Our birthdays are 2 weeks apart, so in between that week, we're gonna go eat at a buffet. You know,
My
our
favorite. I'm very food.
food driven.
Yes.
I'm going for the sushi.
Yes.
We're going to a seafood place.
She goes to places to take pictures. I
Yes.
go to places for their food.
You're right. Me and Sabrina, we're gonna go to Europe after we graduate, and we're gonna go all over Europe. Just you wait.
Then it's gonna be taken.
Not like taken. We're gonna have a very fun time.
I will come for you.
We're gonna die. We're gonna die.
I'd be like, this dude's just walking back and forth. You're dumb.
I don't know why, but I always get camera shy when people walk past.
I just think it's funny because they probably think I'm weird.
Yeah. Are we gonna ever see them again? No. No, but then I always see like really like big famous like YouTube vloggers, and they all get shy, and I'm like, you've been doing this for such a long time.
They probably
You
get
think they're
anxious around
used
people.
to it? Yeah, definitely. Okay, it's taking up a lot of storage, so I'll see you later. We've been talking for 19 minutes. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay, so while we're waiting, we decided to walk the breezeway, and I was like, let's show you our gorgeous campus. I think that's a Letters and Arts building. Letters and Arts building, which is pretty. No, whatever building that is, it's really pretty. And then that way is the rec.
Building.
Yes, where Ira goes. Engineering. Is that the engineering building?
Building's that way.
Okay, that way. But.
I'll give you a tour of my engineering building. We actually have cool shit.
Oh, really?
Yeah, here's the first floor where it's just robots and shit.
Okay, so we're gonna go down.
I know I don't look like I'm an engineering student. And Liz always says if I build something, I have to tell her she's gonna get on it.
No, if Ira builds a plane, we're not getting on it.
She's like,
tell me, let me know so I can
I
cancel
will
my
not.
flight.
it'll work.
You know that like funny.
Someone checks it for me before
know-
they actually fly it.
You know that funny meme where like the professor or something was in one of the airplanes, and they're like, "Aren't you worried it's gonna like what is it, crash or something?" He's like, "Knowing my students, this is not gonna take off." But I was like, that is so funny. Oh, and that way is the library and Chick-fil-A. That is what I know. Been to the library twice.
Today's first time we're going with me because
You're
I've
right.
never been.
Yeah, I have been before.
I don't like studying around people.
Neither do I, but I think it's good to get out sometimes. We do have a nice library. They just ants sometimes on the tables, which is eh. We're gonna visit HBT. We'll show you guys.
Old home.
And that is our pretty bookstore. And then vending machines. We have, I've never been here, but Mexican grill, lime fresh. I've never been here either. And then we've come to the end of our breezeway. We have Starbucks. And did the Pizza Hut ever open in here? I know we have Einstein's. Panda Express is always coming soon. Oh yeah, we do. And we have like a little deli thing in there.
The Panda Express coming soon.
It's always coming soon. And then after we reach the end of our breezeway, there's HPT, our old home, heritage. And then this is the I love FAU sign that every senior graduate in high school comes to take a photo in when they've decided to come here. Here's Starbucks. And then
Early when Starbucks is not even open.
and this is this is Glades, I think.
That's
IRT.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're in the gym. This is what our cardio room looks like. Our gym.
Someone's already using the weights.
Yeah. And then this is our yoga room where we do our ab workouts.
Let's do this one first.
Okay. And then this is a yoga room. And that is the weight room. We've got a lot of stuff.
we're making. It's called boom boom shrimp, I guess. So season your shrimp well. I use this spice right here. That's for the shrimp. And then your flour, I season it with this garlic powder, this salt, pepper. Just make sure you season well. Like, if it's not colored enough, put more. And then we're gonna use panko breading to make it crispy. So normally I would do shrimp in the egg, in the flour, in the egg, back on here, and then put on a pan. That's normally how I do it. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like and when it's cooked. Here, lightly coat it because you don't want to just eat flour. And then this is the panko. After the flour, you put on the egg, and you flip, flip, flip. You don't really need much because it gets crispy really fast. That's why we like panko. So all the shrimp, flip, flip, flip. Just get a shot of it being in the cup.
Look at that.
Finished
Okay. We got rice, we got the shrimp, got the corn. Corn is just a lot of butter. Did you put salt and pepper?
Yeah.
Salt and pepper, and on top of that is the Tabasco hot sauce. And then
cheese.
And cheese, you're right. And then we got kimchi on the side. We got the boom boom shrimp sauce. We got Chick-fil-A sauce. And this one's actually really good. The peri peri sauce?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And that is our update.